Hi, this is a research on functional requirements of attendance app along with UI designs using Shneiderman's 8 golden principles developed by Professor Neupane, Umesh Shrestha and Gaurav Shrestha. There are many problems in physical attendance system, like it is time consuming, inaccuracy and human errors, and it is inauthentic. What can be the solutions for smart attendance? So it can be card systems, finger biometrics, face recognition, retina scanner, and location tracker. So there are drawbacks of previous solutions. Card systems are inauthentic, the biometrics are expensive, and the location trackers are inaccurate. So our proposed solution is a mobile app using face recognition integrated with VPN. Our hypothesis in the proposed solution is that it is less time consuming, it reduces the human error, it increases the reliability, it increases the authenticity and efficiency. The overall objectives of this project is to design UI of smart attendance using Shneiderman's 8 golden rules and to develop user-centric design. We divided this project in 6 weeks. In the first week, we formed a team, found a problem, did the case study and survey. In the second week, we did the documentation of members' portfolio, the reason behind choosing the particular case, made hypotheses and collected the feedbacks. In the third week, we made a paper prototype, tested the paper prototype, collected the feedbacks and redesigned the prototype. In the fourth week, we designed the user interface in Flutter, then did the heuristic evaluation and designed the MVP. In the fifth week, we conducted the persona and ethnography, developed the user interface addressing Shneiderman's 8 golden rules. In the sixth week, we performed the usability testing and finalized our work. We designed the digital prototype using Draw.io. Based on first survey conducted on 60 persons, majority of people are using attendance register. They would like to use smart attendance system with face recognition and VPN, which is good for time efficiency, accuracy and authenticity. This is the heuristic evaluation by Sajan Mohat and the team. The help contents are not enough. There should be more help contents. It violates the help and documentation rule. Severity ranges from 1 to 5. 5 represents the more sensitive issue and needs a certain sense. In help contents, severity is given 3. After that, we designed this app in Flutter using Shneiderman's 8 golden rules. For the first rule, we try to maintain the consistency by using internally consistent color combination. And we also try to use the login front sidebars, icons and pop-ups quite similar to other apps to maintain the consistency. To maintain the universal usability, we used icons, login form fields, English language as the default language and the sidebars which are universal. The information feedback is given when the validation error occurs while logging in the firm, while trying to do attendance without connecting to VPN, while VPN is not connected, while VPN is connected, while face detection error happens, while the attendance success happens, while the live class is happening, or while the live class isn't happening and the leave application is sent. In our case, attendance success, application sent, VPN connection yields the closure. To prevent the errors, various feedbacks are given. Also, the description of the app is given in help section and the clear button labels are given, and the live class and the non-live class buttons are quite separated. To permit the easy reversal of actions, we have used back option in every pages and also back to home navigation button. When you go to the sidebar, then you can see the language option where you can opt the language you want. It supports the internal locus of control. When you see the UI, the design is really clean and there are very few elements included in every screen, so it reduces the short-term memory load of the user. During usability testing, 55% were students and 45% were teachers. Most of them found that the functions in the system were well integrated. Majority of them found that it is easy to use. Similarly, most of the people think that the system holds consistency. At last, I would like to thank Dr. Sushil Shrestha for giving us this golden opportunity, and thank you for listening.